Hi. There's a pretty cat right there. I love my cats on the farm. This one's a healthy one. There's his mama. She's a nice cat too. She's following a grasshopper, I think. Yeah, this is entertaining for me, sorry. Hi, Princess. You don't even know you're being videotaped, do you? Hi. Catch that grasshopper, would you? I noticed the cats love grasshoppers. Yeah, I'm following you. Getting a lot of attention today, aren't you? Aren't you? What you doing in there? Hmm? Come here. This one loves my grass. Actually, all the cats love it playing in the grass. Looks like we got company. This entertains me. It does. Hope there's some of you out there that enjoy cats and kittens. This one found a chair. I think this one's my favorite, but he's kind of a little crybaby, aren't ya? Yeah. Kiddo. There's Mama. Ain't he pretty? Beautiful cat. We've never had a kitty with those markings before. Oh, don't fight, you guys. Oh, aren't you a sweetie? This one here, I think she's a special kitty. She's not a kitty, she's a cat, but she's special. This is my chair where I sit out here and videotape the butterflies once in a while. I got one called a cricket. Roxy, be nice. You can have them crickets. I don't like them. We've got a lot of crickets and grasshoppers around. Not real bad though, I guess. It's amazing the stuff they eat. Don't fall in. Getting a drink. Boy, how do you think that fish water tastes? Funny. The cats will just sit along this pond here and they'll just be grabbing at the water, trying to catch some fish sometimes. I don't ever think they're successful. But they're gonna get another drink. But it amazes me that they like that water. It really does. So there's something to say about that. I mean, I don't know. I use my fish water to water my plants. You know, it's great stuff. And they don't seem to mind it. I got fresh water out. Believe me, I do. But they seem to rather want to drink in the pond here. Chloe's a very verbal cat. She's probably 12 years old. Hi, babe. There's another verbal one. I think you took after Chloe, didn't you? I like cats that talk, though. But sometimes it can get annoying. Roxy, I don't want you fighting with the cats, okay? You get all scratched up. So I walked over here and all the cats are following me. Every one of them. Such kids. Isn't he pretty? I'll show you his markings right there. It's a beauty. But he's a tomcat, I believe, so to keep him around here, I'd have to get him fixed. What's the matter? Come up here.